Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to share your Instagram highlight directly from the Instagram app on your PC using the latest update. Whether you want to share a favorite moment with friends or promote your content, this quick guide will have you sharing your highlights in no time. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you straight to your profile page where all your posts, stories, and highlights are displayed. Next, right under your bio, you'll see your highlights. These are the collections of stories you've saved to showcase on your profile. Find the specific highlight you want to share and click on it to open. Now, here's the key step. Look up at the address bar at the top of your browser or app window. You'll see a link that corresponds to the highlight you just opened. Click on this link to select it, then right-click and choose Copy from the menu. This copies the direct URL to your clipboard. With the link copied, you can now share it anywhere you like, whether it's in a message, on another social media platform, or in an email. Just paste the link, and anyone who clicks on it will be taken directly to your Instagram highlight. This method is straightforward and works perfectly with the new Instagram app update on PC, making it easier than ever to share your favorite moments with your audience or friends without needing to switch devices. So, to recap, open Instagram on your PC, click your profile photo at the bottom left, find and select your highlight under your bio, copy the link from the address bar, and then share it wherever you want. It's that simple. Thanks for watching and happy sharing!